What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to get your own .edu email. Now it is important to note that while you're searching for how to have your own .edu, this isn't an extension of an email that you might easily have on your own. You'll need to enroll in a US college or course, take an official continuing education or extension, or an online course from a university. Also, if you qualify for an alumni, you can also apply to have a .edu account. But if you don't want that, the alternative is to try out other options online. For example, we have the NeoSpace option. We're going to be dropping the link to this in the description. Here you can create a .edu account by providing your full name, your existing address, and a password, and you can create a customer account. Now this platform will help you as an alternative option to try to get a .edu email.